Hey, welcome everyone. Kevin LaRocca here with Binary Pro Strategies. Today is Tuesday and it is October 2nd of 2018, and this is a recap of the trades I made today. And I have to be honest with you, I wasn't too happy personally with my personal trading today, and I'll explain that here in a minute. But starting off with the core strategy. Now, if you've been following my videos, you know I offer two types of trading approaches. One is I call the core strategy, and that is really designed to trade in the morning and in the evening, say after 7 p.m. Central, and you want to trade before noon, and that's really designed for the higher volatility times. Okay, and then as we start moving into the afternoon up until about 7 o'clock, then I switch over to the nibble strategy. And even sometimes later in the evening, the nibble strategy can do quite well because it does have times or periods, I should say, to where it's very quiet, and it works awesome in those types of markets. Well, what I did today is I got a little bit ahead of myself, and I started trading a little bit earlier in the day than I should have on the nibble strategy. Well, and you can see where I ended up. Ended up down 58. Now that doesn't sound like a big loss, but it's not so much of a loss as I didn't follow the rules like I should have, and I should have really not traded until in the afternoon. Okay, so, but nonetheless, I mean, 58, not bad. Now, the core strategies, I had only two core strategy setups today. Both made 50, well, one made a little bit more than 50. I think I ended up making about $110 in those two trades. So the core strategy is absolutely perfect. And that's also something that I recommend when people start off with my service, is that you stick with the core strategy. You learn the ins and outs of it, and it is a lot more black and white, I should say, a lot more mechanical. Whereas the nibble strategy is something that you're gonna have to practice at, and there is some more discretion involved, and it is a lot faster. It's a lot quicker. There's you have to be kind of on your toes in order to do it, but it can also be quite profitable. But when you're new, you stick with the core strategy. You have one or two, three trades a day, and then you're done. And then, of course, you can always move into the nibble. So, and the nibble trades are something also that I do call out, but I don't call them all out because I do get quite a few of them. So I teach you the technique. I show you what I'm looking at, and then you practice, practice, practice until you feel you have it down to where you can go in and trade it for yourself. But starting off, definitely the nibble strategy. It's easy. It's pretty black and white, and it does produce really good results. Anyway, I'll show you quickly just the nibble strategy trades because, like I said, there are only two, and this is going to be in I believe it was in the euro. Yeah, it was in the Aussie. It was in the Aussie, and whoops, it was in the Aussie. 5 minutes. I only trade 5 minutes on the Nadex binaries. And I had actually two sales, and this is my 5 minute chart up here, and this is my 1 minute chart. I want to show you the actual minutes that I actually entered into these two shorts. As you can see on this one, I entered in fairly late on it, but still ended up being profitable because I got it right before that spike. That turned out to be a winner. And then this second one over here came in a little bit earlier on the first set of that 5 minute binary. And of course, I saw that on this minute right here, and it's borrowed over here. So two nice wins for the core strategy, and of course the rest for nibble. So anyway, minus $58. Hey, from what I've been doing, over the last months and days, this is really nothing. Could I come back tonight and make up for that? Yeah, but it's a good lesson to see a negative on the books to say, hey, you know what? You overtraded a little bit this morning, and it's just a good reminder. So $58, that's one trade. I can make up for it, but I'm going to keep it where it's at and just show it as a loss today. So anyway, that's it, guys. Tomorrow is going to be Wednesday the 3rd, and I will be back with my next update. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about my core strategy, I am for a limited time offering a free fundamental video you can get your hands on, and I'll tell you exactly how to do it if you hang tight here at the end of this video. Take care, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay, so here we are. So as I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in getting the free fundamental video, which I am going to offer free of charge right now for a limited time, All you have to do is just go to binaryprostrategies.com. You're going to get a little pop-up, fill out the information, and what I'll do is I will send you a link. It's actually a link to a private Facebook page where you have access. That's where you're going to be able to see the fundamental video, but you're also going to be able to look at my prior trades because I do post them daily. And all these trades are the trades that I demonstrate live in front of my students as I share my charts and I make my trades and I explain and demonstrate to you exactly why I'm making a particular trade, what the particular setup is, and so forth. So it's very educational, but nonetheless, nothing's held back in the fundamentals videos. That is the core strategy that I use to make all the trades that you saw today. And I'm sure that just taking that video and applying the methods that you see there, it's greatly going to improve your trading. But if you do want to go more in depth and really fine tune it, I do offer a service. It's a monthly service where you would then have access to all my other training videos where I go a lot more into detail on each aspect of the core strategy. And of course, I also give additional what I call actionable trade ideas, where there are certain patterns that are not actually in the fundamental video that you can certainly take advantage of, and they're pretty powerful in terms of making money. So, nonetheless, that's it. Please come back, and I will have another video tomorrow, and where I'll also share my trades. And once again, if you decide that you do want to join us, what you could do is you could just go ahead and in the Binary Pro Strategies, there's a place where you can go ahead and send me an email if you'd like, and or always feel free to give me a call at 469-554-0850. Be glad to answer all your questions. My goal here is to, I've been doing this for 35 years, so my goal here is to help other traders finally see how to truly make money in the markets. And I believe you can, you have a tremendous advantage by using Nadex binary options. So that's it. Wish you the best of success, and hopefully you'll be back tomorrow for my next, where I go over all my trades for that particular day. Take care.